Hello everybody. Let's start today's class. Today I will explain you chapter 10 X circles exercise 10.2 part 2. In part 2 I will explain you from question number 9. The question is xy and x dash y dash are the two parallel tangents. Xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Okay. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. To prove it, AOB is 90 degree, construct join OA, OB, OC and PQ through O. Okay. Now in triangle AOP and AOC, in these two triangles, you have to prove these two are congruent. So, okay. Now in congruency, it is P and C both are 90 degree because the radius is perpendicular on the tangent. Okay. So it is and OP is equal to OC, both are radius. OA is equal to OA, OA is the common side. So by RHS, okay, by RHS property we can prove that AOP is congruent to AOC. Got in? As these two are congruent, therefore by CPCT angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And similarly in these two triangle BOQ and BOC, in these two triangle angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That also we can prove. Okay. Now angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all 4 angles, if we add, so it is together, it is on the straight line, it 4 together is 180 degree. And we know angle 1 is equal to 2 and 3 equal to 4. Now substitute the value of 1 is equal to 2 and it is 2, 3 is equal to 4. So it is 3 and it is also 3. So 2 times 2 and 2 times 3 is equal 180 degree. 2 as a common, 2 times 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 upon 2 is equal to 90 degree. So AOB is 90 degree. Check it. AOB is 90 degree. Proved it. Next question number 10. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. So okay. Supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center, means at the center angle O and at the point P. So okay, angle P, these two together is 90 degree. We have yes, these two together is supplementary 180 we have to prove. Okay. For that, by angle sum property, angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle P is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Sum of all 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Here angle A and B 90. So okay. So it is angle O plus angle P is equal 360 minus 180. So it is angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Proved it. These are supplementary. So it is proved. Now, next question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So, okay. Parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So, okay. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram and proof that ABCD is a rhombus. So, okay, this has given. Now, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Its rhombus means 4 sides equal. If I can prove, then we can say it is a rhombus. For that, ABCD is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. So, AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Okay. Now, it is the one relation we have got. Now, tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Therefore, AP is equal to AS or A is equal to AP, and from point B, BP and BQ are two tangents. So, BP is equal to BQ. but we have to write in this way. We have to join AP plus BP. So where I am writing AP, same side you have to write BP. Similarly, where I am writing AS, same side we have to write DS. AS plus DS. And BQ plus CQ, same side. And CR, DR, same side. Okay, CR and DR at the same side. So DS equal to DR, CQ is equal to CR. Now, by adding all this, all four, it is left hand side you add AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ plus AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. AS plus DS equal to AD, BQ plus CQ is equal BC, AP plus BP is equal to AB, and CR plus DR is equal to DC. So therefore AD plus BC is equal to AB plus DC. Here from the equation, from this relation we have got AB equal to CD. So instead of CD we can write AB, and similarly BC is equal to AD. Instead of AD we can write BC. So BC plus BC, 2BC, same AD plus AD, 2AB, 2 cancel, BC is equal AB. Got it? Now BC is equal AB, check it. AB is equal to BC means two adjacent sides are equal. So therefore we can say adjacent sides and opposite sides equal. So all four sides are equal. AB plus BC plus CD plus is equal to AD. Four sides are equal. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Thank you very much. In next part I will explain you question number 12, 13 and assignment there I will give you.